Welcome to Mastering Notion on Mobile.
Unlock productivity anywhere with Notion's powerful mobile features. Whether you're managing work, organizing ideas, or collaborating on the go, Notion's mobile app brings flexibility and organization to your fingertips. In this guide, we'll explore the top tools and workflows that help you stay efficient, connected, and creative, no matter where life takes you.
Quick capture for ideas and tasks.
Stay organized by capturing thoughts instantly with Notion's mobile quick capture. Use the mobile app to swiftly add notes, tasks, or links as soon as inspiration strikes. The intuitive interface allows you to jot down reminders or create new pages on the fly, ensuring nothing important slips through the cracks during your busy day.
Seamless database interactions.
Manage projects and track information with full mobile database support. Add, edit, or filter entries in your tables and boards right from your phone. The mobile experience lets you update project statuses, assign tasks, and browse custom views, bringing the full power of Notion's organizing capabilities into your pocket.
Collaboration and sharing anywhere.
Work together in real time on mobile. Notion lets you comment, mention teammates, and share pages instantly from your phone. Whether brainstorming, leaving feedback, or updating shared docs, you're always part of the conversation, even when you're away from your desk.
Offline access for ultimate flexibility.
Keep working even without an internet connection. Notion's mobile app lets you access and edit recently used pages offline. Any changes will automatically sync once you're reconnected, ensuring continuous productivity wherever you are, whether commuting, traveling, or working remotely.
Efficient navigation and customization.
Navigate your workspace with ease and personalize your mobile workflow. Use the sidebar and favorites to quickly jump between pages. Adjust widgets, icons, and layouts to fit your needs, making your mobile Notion as functional and visually appealing as your desktop version.
Boost your productivity with Notion Mobile.
Mastering Notion's mobile features empowers you to stay organized, collaborate, and achieve more from anywhere. Explore these essential tools to make your workflow smoother and your productivity stronger, all from the palm of your hand.